And the universe said we all shall meet again. What's up, my people? It's your boy Just with Detail Diamonds, back with another one. This video today, let's discuss why detailing businesses fail. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and tap that like button, subscribe. We bring detailing content, day-to-day grind. We keep it transparent here, okay? If you're one of my loyal subscribers, what's happening with y'all, man? I missed y'all, man. We had to get some things together, and I'm gonna tell y'all about that later. All this is a transparency of the topics, why detailing businesses fail. So, like I said, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the intro now so we can go ahead and get into this video. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it. Now, one reason I feel like detailing businesses fail is lack of marketing. We're in a time right now where social media is real essential. Social media is basically everyone's life. So you want to take advantage of that. You know what I'm saying? You want to put yourself out there on the platform of your choice with your before and after pictures, maybe some customer reviews mixed in with that. You just want to put yourself out there. Putting your business out there will land you a better chance at clients coming to your door and inquiring about your service. And a lot of times, especially in my area, I see people, they don't post. You get what I'm saying? They don't post. They don't post their work. And how can you get clients coming to your door if people don't see you? It's like out of sight, out of mind. If you really want clients, you need to put yourself out there, especially on social media, for marketing in general. Y'all, so the next point is lack of customer relation or customer service. Some people are just assholes, okay? And you gotta be able to, relate to your customers. You gotta be able to have good communication skills. You gotta be able to figure out what the customer's needs are and don't let the detail ego take over. And you just want to be polite and you want to know how to do business. Like, y'all just don't understand how much people tell me stories about not just the detailing business, but small business owners in general, just how unprofessional they are. And it blows my mind because these are the people that you're trying to attract to your business, to spend some money with you. And how can you treat them bad? You know what I'm saying? Customer service and customer relations should always be top front to your business. And when I mean customer relation, following up with them, making sure that their service is top tier. And if you need to, if you have to go redo something, go ahead and do it for them. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're running a business. I try not to take things personal in my business. I understand that we're running a business. Things happen. Try to build a good relationship with your clients. Lacking the basic skills of being a detailer. Now, I understand a lot of people feel like, okay, we're washing your car, it doesn't take a lot to do it, but you need to put some time in to learn your craft, learn the basics, learn the tools, play around with different equipment and things like that, and different chemicals to see what works best for you. So don't just go into the detail business blind. You get what I'm saying? Like, make sure that you take the time out to learn. There's a lot of detailers on YouTube. Shout out to the guys that I watch on a daily basis just to try to get my skill set up. All right, y'all. So I empathize with everybody trying to start a business and they just feel like they don't have the funds. They feel like they don't have the proper tools, but mostly the funds. But the thing about it is you want to make sure that over time you're investing in your business, investing in yourself. Like I talked about on some of our previous videos, things like a steam cleaner, things like a drill brush, those things can come in the immediate future. But the basics are really what you want to start with, but always keep it in the back of your mind that you need to grow, you need to expand, you need to try to get the right equipment, the right things to use, upgrade yourself. All right, not to contradict what I said earlier, but another reason why I feel like detailing businesses fail is we don't have proper websites. You know what I'm saying? Like, we need to have websites that the clients can look at our work, They need to be able to put in a submission form to inquire about service, and just another tool to contact you. And this is why I say I might contradict myself, because we don't want to just rely on social media. We don't want to just rely on Facebook, Instagram, and those things like that to bring us business. So having a website to me is an anchor. So if anything goes wrong, because trust me, things go wrong. Do you guys know that my business page on Facebook that had almost 5,000 followers got hacked? I was at an uproar when that happened. I was so confused, I didn't know what to do. I didn't have a proper website in order, but thank God we bounced back. Have a security net. Alright, y'all, so I feel like this point is really a mental thing. Having the mindset that you will become a millionaire overnight. This is a journey, okay? This is not a race. Sometimes you will go a long time without getting the return that you feel like you worked for. I stated earlier, this industry is competitive. And just being transparent with y'all, right now in our area, it seems like it multiplies by the week. You gotta take your time. You gotta build. You gotta stack the bricks, okay? Nothing happens overnight. Sometimes we tap into social media too hard and we see the success stories, but we don't know how long it took for these people to get to where they're at, or the hard work that they had to endure to get to that point. Mentally, understand that it's a journey and it's not a race. We have times where we want to pull out. We have times where we get paralyzed in all of this, small business detailing, this whole life. We get paralyzed in it sometimes. Take a step back, breathe, regroup. If this is something that you really want to do, fall back in. But to think that you will make, you will profit, you will be able to quit your job in like, a month, 2 months, things like that. Just keep it realistic. Work hard, pace yourself. It's a journey.